Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by locking the core idea and why it matters. Say it aloud in one sentence so you and stakeholders agree. Next, pick a pragmatic stack that lets you move fast: one front-end framework, one back-end, one database, and a deployment target. Once done, initialize the repo, add SCI, pick a license, and create an MVP branch with 5 top priority tasks. This avoids scope creep and gets working code on the table immediately. You now build the core features in priority order, implementing one at a time and protecting unfinished work with feature flags. While coding, write tests that cover business logic and integration points. Aim tests at critical paths first so regressions are obvious. Once code exists, iterate the UI, turn wireframes into a clickable prototype, run quick user tests with 3 real users, then refine flows. Make sure to refactor small smells immediately. This sustained discipline keeps velocity high and technical debt low. You're at the finish line. Deploy the MVP with a safe strategy like blue/green or canary, and wire up monitoring for errors, latency, and adoption. Once live, collect structured feedback from 10 sessions, track 3 retention indicators, and watch 1-week crash rates closely. If something breaks, reproduce the smallest failing case locally, inspect logs and traces, and roll back gracefully if needed. Then deploy a focused fix and run the failing scenario again. This loop restores trust and closes the release.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.